Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To start off, I'm going to unravel my braid. I did wash my hair the other day. Now it was already in section, so I'm just going to put the gel in section. No need to unravel all the braids. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to moisturize my hair with some cantu and some oil, not a little bit, not too much. And then the key to slick down your hair is mainly in section, but really I don't really need section a lot because my hair is getting longer. So you just need to do in section to do a really slick look, because I'm going to wear this hair a whole entire week, and I'm not joking. I need this hairstyle to last a little for 1 week, like till I get another style. So yeah, I just you, for the hair to get sleek, you just need water, brush, and then gel. You need a lot of brushing, a lot of water, and that is what's going to sleek down your hair. And the top of my hair, I use the beeswax because this thing gets your hair really slick. And yeah, I use that, and then I do like twist, so to get my hair in a really small bun, and my hair will get forever to dries out. But I took the risk. You need to brush your hair. There's no need, if you want to slick down your hair, there's no need to have like your hair to not be combed out. You need to comb your hair so it can be really slick. And then I'm using this satin scarf for the nighttime. And then my thing for the edges, I don't know if this is selling at the store anyways, but I saw this at the Wicom. So yeah, and then I wait for about 30 minutes while I want to sleep, and then to take a nap, and then I wake up, doing the rest of my hair. So this is the hair I'm using. At first I was going to use a $2 hair braiding hair, but I thought the hair wasn't going to be enough, like the bun wouldn't be like full and all that, so I choose this hair instead. So you see, I take small portion for my bang. I don't want full bang. I just want like a natural one, like at least like little hair, but full at the same time, like in the middle. And then I clip that in the front of my hair. Then for the rest of the hair, I'm going to wrap it around my little bun, with my real hair. So I take smaller section, and sometimes I twist the hair so it can make the bun. You can call it ninja bun, but it's still a bun. And yeah. And for this hairstyle, you're going to be like to need a lot of bobby pins like this. I got a like a bag of bobby pin, but it's always get lost, like Comment down below if it's always happening to you, like you get, you know, your scrunchie get lost, um your spin, what the fuck, your baby pen get lost, like yeah. Now what you're going to do for the bun, for the bang I mean, you're just going to squeeze the hair, not squeeze, but push a little bit for the hair down, so you will, you know, it will get like this, so yeah, the end of the hair can make your bang basically. So and then we're going to hide these things we just created. Like we're not going to walk around with that in front of the hair, but with the other portion of the hair we're just going to continue the bun. Like I said, I need this hairstyle to last a little bit, like a 5 days, 6 days, but that's why I use a lot of gel. So you can separate your hair to do, you know, to slick down your hair, but I wanted mine to be, because you know I'm not going to show you hairstyle that I will not wear outside, you know, those are all the style that we wear outside. So you know, that hairstyle is cute. So now for the bun, this is the thing I wanted. Like I didn't want to, you know, uh, mess this up, because this part is really like the easiest to, you messed up. Like if you mess the bun, the bang I mean, you just have to start all over again. You can reuse the hair, but you know, I don't know. So I was really scared. That's what I was telling to the camera. I'm like, oh my god, I'm scared. But yeah, I just cut the hair with the scissor. This scissor is really sharp. Like this is a school scissor, but a regular scissor, you know. And then I just cut the hair. Then I'm going with a small scissor to going upwards to cut the hair, so it would not look like straight. It would not look like a blunt cut. It would look like professionally done. Like you know, it will look normal. Then I'm going with this small straightener from the local beauty supply store, and this is braiding hair, so it's plastic. So as soon as I plugged the straightener in, I started to use that because it gets it up really quick. So you do not want to burn the kanekalon braiding hair. And I put two bobby pins going in the opposite way of the long hair was the bang. Where you see the bang, I put the bobby pins just so the long hair can stay and it can look like, you know, this. This is the final result. It's only $3. Like $3. Are you kidding me? This is not pricey, you know. And I was scared to mess up because I only got one pack. I didn't have a backup plan. Like I had 1B, you know, the color 1B, but you know, this is a mix of 1B and 33. And thank you so much guys for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Like, this is a dope tutorial. Like the video, share with your friend, family, and then subscribe to my channel. Help your girl and get 1K, 1,000 subscribers. Okay, and yeah, so that is for the bun, and I will list and I will be listing all the information what I use, products, the hair I use, all the product I use in this video I will be listed down below. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.